Hello scientists, welcome back to our next experiment. Now today we're going to do an experiment using shaving cream. We're not going to shave, we're just going to use this as one of our materials. And this shaving cream is going to represent clouds because we're going to demonstrate how clouds hold on to water and then let go of it to cause rain, sleet, snow, hail. Now, you have to be careful if you're going to do this at home to get one of the shaving creams that is a foam, because I accidentally got one that was in a tube that wasn't a foam. It kind of came out like toothpaste. And if you stick around at the end of the experiment, I'm going to show you my blooper about what it looked like when I tried to use it in the experiment. It really didn't work. So today we're going to demonstrate clouds. Now, I want you to imagine these things floating around me are clouds, even though they're a bit pink. And we're going to show how clouds hold on to water. Clouds can hold on to millions of litres of water, but eventually they get too heavy, and when they get too heavy, that is when it starts to rain. And we're just going to do a really simple experiment to demonstrate this. So let's watch. Hang on. Do you think we need an umbrella for this experiment? I don't know, but here's mine.
These are the materials we will need: the shaving cream, water and food colouring. Make sure the shaving cream is a foam and shake it well. Fill up the water about 2/3 full and fill the rest with shaving cream. After you've put the shaving cream on, you're going to get a spoon and smooth the top of the shaving cream down. It can be a bit tricky, but you'll get there. We're going to actually add the food colouring into the water so that we make it kind of represent blue water or rain. And we're going to put it in tablespoon by tablespoon. And once the clouds are full of water, you'll start to see it start to rain. There it goes. And it's just a gentle rain because we're just putting the water in slowly. I've sped this up just so you don't have to watch it. Now I'm just pouring it in for fun to you at the end so you can watch that cloud rise up.
Now I'm going to do an experiment within an experiment. I'm actually going to try to use a little bit less shaving cream but still smooth it on the top, because smoothing it on the top creates a bit of surface tension that makes it a bit harder for the water to drop through. So let's watch that one.
Okay, this time I'm going to use only a little bit of shaving cream. I'm still smoothing it though. And we're going to put the water in. This time I'm actually pouring it in so you can see what a storm would look like with all of the water coming through at once. So the clouds can't hold it very well because it's too heavy. Then I'm just going to pour in a little bit more to help you so you can watch the cloud rise up again.
I'm still experimenting within an experiment, and this time I'm going to use a whole bunch of shaving cream, but I'm not going to smooth it on the top, and I'm going to kind of see what happens. What's the difference if I don't smooth it on the top? You might have noticed sometimes I'm pouring quickly, sometimes I'm pouring slowly. That's a change in the experiment method too.
This time I'm changing colour just so you can remember. I'm going to put the shaving cream in, remember, a lot of it, but I'm not going to smooth it, so there's more air pockets for the rain to fall through. I'm going to pour it in quite quick, so watch for the storm. Whoa, there it goes, breaking through straight away. Wow, that looks amazing.
This last one is one I did just for fun so that you could actually watch the snow or the rain or the sleet or the hail or whatever we're representing slowly coming down. Have you ever watched rain in the distance and seen like a sheet of rain falling down slowly?
Okay, I got a really big container and I've sped this video up while I filled it up with heaps of shaving cream, and then I poured some of the blue water in, but then I stopped so you could actually watch it coming down slowly. Can you see it descending down there? It's still going down slowly, slowly, slowly. It looks amazing. Okay, this is the blooper. Uh-oh, I tried to use shaving cream that came in a tube and it was so dense that it actually came out like toothpaste, and I thought this isn't going to work, but it looked so amazing I thought I would record it so that you could see what it looks like for that tube to go down into the water. It looks great, doesn't it? Not very useful for our experiment though. Okay, so after I had all that shaving cream and I put it into the sink, and I thought, oh, I don't know if this is the right place for it, but I thought I'd have a bit of fun with it. And I broke up the chunks with some water, and then I put a little bit of extra food dye sprinkled on top. And I thought, I'm kind of making an artwork here, so this is fun. And then I got some extra water and I kind of started to sprinkle it across to blend that food colouring in. So here's my water, I'm cutting through it almost like a knife with the water, and then I'm sprinkling it just for fun.
I hope you had fun with this experiment, and if you're trying it at home, you can try lots of different combinations. Less water, you might even try different types of shaving cream. I don't know what the difference that might make, but maybe some of them are a bit more dense. Anyway, I had a lot of fun showing you what a cloud does. I'll see you next time.